At IRB Barcelona, we pursue an ambitious vision, a society free of disease. Today, we are an international research centre of excellence, a community of more than 450 scientists representing 37 nationalities, united by a common goal: to advance fundamental biomedical research in order to cure cancer and other diseases linked to aging. We look for the underlying logic of the biological systems to understand how they work, how they fail, and how to fix them. This approach to science was a deliberate journey, and it all began 20 years ago. In 2005, IRB Barcelona opened its doors with an ambitious idea to become a world-class biomedical research centre. We didn't just build labs, we brought together scientists willing to look beyond their own fields to create a new kind of ecosystem. From the very start, biologists, chemists, physicists, and computational scientists worked side by side. Within just a few years, the results spoke for themselves, showing that this multidisciplinary approach didn't just sound good, it delivered. From day one, IRB Barcelona was built around a core value: excellence, and this commitment was recognized early on. In 2011, Spain launched the Severo Ochoa program to recognize research centers performing at the highest level of scientific excellence. IRB Barcelona was awarded the distinction in the very first call and has renewed it every 4 years ever since. In this environment, breakthroughs multiplied. Over the past 20 years, this work has led to more than 3,500 scientific publications, building a solid reputation and advancing our understanding of biology at different scales, uncovering how cells preserve genomic integrity and how its disruption leads to disease, revealing how tumours grow, adapt and spread, advancing our understanding of aging, metabolism and systemic diseases, deciphering the molecular basis of protein structure and interactions, developing computational approaches to interpret biological systems. Hand in hand, experimental and computational research allow us to understand life and disease in its full complexity. At IRB Barcelona, advanced technologies enable us to observe biological systems from molecules to cells and tissues. From advanced microscopy to drug screening and spatial omics, our 9 core facilities allow us to capture biological processes with remarkable precision, revealing how cells behave, interact, and change in different contexts. Together they form a shared technological ecosystem which is fundamental to achieve excellence in research. Our research finds its ultimate purpose when it reaches patients. We work to ensure that our discoveries reach the clinic by establishing technology transfer agreements with the pharmaceutical industry and major hospitals, or by creating our own spin-off companies. With over 100 patent families and 7 active spin-offs, we have transformed knowledge into new diagnostic and therapeutic approaches. From diagnostic biomarkers developed in our labs to predict the spread of breast cancer to the bone, now incorporated into international clinical practice guidelines, to targeted therapeutic strategies, innovative drug delivery methods, and novel approaches to previously undruggable targets, our work contributes to more informed clinical decisions and advances in patient care. One of our most lasting contributions is the generation of scientists who have trained within these walls. From our first PhD class back in 2005 to today's international fellowships, IRB Barcelona has served as a launchpad for the best talent. Over the past 20 years, more than 2,700 professionals have been part of IRB Barcelona. Today, the IRB Barcelona spirit travels with our alumni, a community now leading research groups, biotech ventures, and clinical departments all over the world. Since the beginning, we have believed that our research should be shared with society. We open up and explain science through a diverse array of outreach activities, fostering scientific knowledge and inspiring new generations. Through initiatives like the Metastasis Challenge, we also invite citizens, companies, and foundations to support our research through donations. 20 years may seem like a long time, but it is only the beginning. In just 2 decades, we have moved from asking fundamental questions to see their impact on how we understand health and disease. The next 20 years are about going deeper, asking new questions, facing new challenges, and redefining the limits of what biomedicine can achieve to improve people's lives.